Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trial subscriptions bundled with festival or event passes, follow these step-by-step instructions to unlock these entertainment package benefits. Step 1. Research festivals and large-scale events in your area or online that partner with digital service providers to offer comprehensive entertainment packages to ticket holders. Step 2. Visit official festival or event websites to review ticket packages and VIP options that include digital perks such as free trials for streaming services, apps, or exclusive content platforms. Step 3. Compare different ticket tiers to see which ones include digital benefits. Premium or VIP passes often come with more extensive subscription trial offers than general admission tickets. Step 4. Purchase your festival pass or event ticket, ensuring you select a package that explicitly includes the digital service trials you're interested in accessing. Step 5. Check your ticket confirmation email for redemption instructions, promotional codes, or unique links to activate your included free trial subscriptions. Step 6. If redemption information isn't immediately provided, log into your ticket account or event app where digital perks and promotional codes are often made available closer to the event date. Step 7. Follow the provided instructions to redeem each included service trial, which may involve creating accounts on various platforms using the unique codes associated with your ticket purchase. Step 8. Activate your trials before or during the festival as specified in the terms. Some offers may be time-limited to the event period, while others provide extended trial access that continues after the festival ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.